Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Okay traders, I did a video yesterday on crude oil and this is the follow-up, and I want to show you how the very thing that I mentioned in the video played out. Down in this section here, Discord trade ideas, here was the trade idea crude. We also had a pound CAD trade idea. This is the free section of our Discord group. You're welcome to join. The link is below. Access to my trade ideas in here. So crude, what I was talking about in that video was we were talking about these price gaps here. You can see that I've marked up in purple color. The thing was, wait for the pullback up in and take the trade when the setup presents itself. Let me show you the setup. Our indicators, this is our strategy we use with these dots. 15-minute chart, the dot. Divergence, the dot, the pullback. This is what I'm talking about in every video. On the lower time frame, we start seeing the dot. So we're looking for the dot, the divergence, followed by the down triangle. 5-minute chart. 3-minute chart. Okay, so this is the area that we're interested in. Is this rotation here. Okay, that rotation. So you can see the markup. Here it is on the 3-minute chart. Okay, so with our strategy, we want to trade with the trend. The trend is down on the 4-hour, and we wait for these dots. Look at this on the 3-minute, and this one gets you in earlier. Well, we've got a couple. We've got the dot and the triangle here. Okay, that would have been okay. The pullback entry, short. But more importantly, you get another opportunity here, dot and the triangle. But what we're actually doing is, let me just show you how to refine the entry. Once you know that you've got the pullback into a key level, for example, have a look at the 1-hour chart here. Notice the green candle prior. Okay, we want to see the pullback into a level like this. We've got our price gap, and then we can even go down to the 30. Now what we're looking for is the retrace, and this is quite precise. See the 30 minutes, see this green candle prior to this red move here? We mark that green candle up, we pull that across, right? This is a 30-minute key level here. And when we mark it up on the 30-minute chart, this brown section marks up here as well. Brown section as in the rectangle. So with our rules of engagement, we have the downtrend we can see clearly. We're trading under the cloud. There's this blue cloud you can see back in here. We've got red dots above on the 4-hour. Okay, and then on the 30-minute, this is the 4-hour, 30 and lower time frame. 30-minute is trading in the cloud, so that ticks the checkbox, and we got this indicator down the bottom here. This is our multi-time frame indicator. It's red across the board, so we get another tick. So this is, our trading plan, our trading strategy. Checkbox is ticked. And so what we're looking for is the rotation. So let's now go down to the 3-minute and then down to the 1-minute. This is it here, guys. This is what we've been talking about. Okay, we can see that this is more or less ranging through here. We get this move, we get a break and a spike up. Okay, so we're looking for more or less like a 3-drive pattern, and we get the dot, and we want to see the drop off after the dot. See this move here? That's what we're looking for. And entry comes in precisely. See this candle here? Look left, mark up the low. Look right, mark up the high. There's a gap, price gap. We want to see price move back up into, resolve this, to resolve the imbalance. That's your entry point right here. Now if you miss that, I prefer the 1-minute chart. We've got everything in our favor on the 1-minute. So you can mark up this price gap if you want to, but have a look here. Look, here's the thing. See this shaded zone? Well, that's our resistance level. And what we want to see is we want to see the divergence, the dot, followed by the triangle on the 1 minute. See how the triangle fired here and we got this pullback? Guys, this is precision entry. Now let's have a look at this. Dot, triangle, the pullback in, that's okay as well. We're looking for entry in this zone. Okay, the next triangle after this dot here gives you a second entry, so you can build your position. All right, so coming back here, we're still within the level, dot, triangle, pullback. See the pullback that I'm talking about? 3 opportunities in this zone. Stop loss above. Let's have a look at them. Second opportunity, the pullback, up in, stop loss above the zone. See how it trades to it? The pullback, stop loss above, 3 opportunities short and we're in the money. Now how do we set our targets? All right, entry. See down here 0.8, that's my target 1. Okay, target 1. And what we're doing at target 1 is closing 70% of our position and we're leaving a third of our position in to run. So 3 times we've entered, we've taken 70% of this one off. We've taken, not this one yet, but down here, 70% of this one's been taken off there. 70% of this one taken off here. And 30% of each one of these is risk-free and in the money. Okay, so you got a decent position size running with that from these 3 trades. Every time your T1 is reached, that is profitable. So you can leave it alone and see what we get out of it. Entirely up to you. You've entered 3, you've closed 70% 3 times, you've got your remaining position running. You see it trade down. You know, this is a 4-to-1 down here. You know, you see it roll back. We can see that this trend here has, you know, there's a shift in the trend. You could close it here if you wanted to. Or, given that entry on average was around here, pull your stop loss right down. And this is some serious money being made here. You know, pull your stop loss down. If that gets taken out, it doesn't matter. If it rolls over here, that is a big payday. If you haven't watched my previous video, watch it. This is it here. So what I'll do now is I'll upload this one and I'll place that just under here as a follow-up. Join Discord, it's free, the link's below. But more importantly, go to the next step and join us in VIP. Tradingwithanthony.com. Here's the website from $10.95 a month, and there's some other options down here that you might be interested in. There's also a lifetime membership that seems to be fairly popular. Okay guys, with that, hope you have a great day. Safe trading. See you in the next one.